In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix VCRUNTIME140.dll is missing error on Windows. So first thing you're going to do is go to Google and you want to type in the name of that. So runtime140.dll. Download. Go to this one. Scroll down, and here you're gonna see 32-bit and 64-bit, so make sure you download both. I'm gonna download this one first. So I downloaded this 32-bit. Now I'm gonna download the 64-bit. So right now, after I downloaded both, as you can see here, I'm gonna go to the downloads. So this one is 32-bit. I'm gonna mark it 32, and this one is 64-bit. So what you're gonna do is simply you're gonna keep these like this, just make it like this, and go to this PC, local C disk, local disk C. Then you want to go to Windows, and here go to System 32. So it should be System 32, and here you're gonna put this on the side like this, and go to the 64-bit and copy the .dll folder. Just copy it and place it inside of the System 32. So after you click replace and place this folder here, you want to go back and go to SYS wow 64, and then leave here and go to 32-bit, copy this one, and also place inside of the this folder here. So click replace, and after you're done, you can try restarting your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.